Hey everyone, so today we're in Ladysmith and we're gonna do the Holland Creek Trail. It's great weather, awesome day. Should be a lot of fun. Come on, let's go. Super huge arbutus tree. Yeah. There are quite a few stairs going down on this trail. I could imagine that if it was rainy and cold out, they might be a bit rough to go down. It's really pretty in here. And it's awesome weather. Quite cool actually, there's a bit of a wind. Oh, come on. There's a little river down here. Bunch of beautiful trees. Let's go. Come on. Some more steps. You gotta love trees, eh? So you come under a bridge. Whew. Feels like you're gonna smash your head. That's pretty cool. Standing under a bridge right now. Not sure if you can see it, but there's fish. Little fishies built into the rock. It is so beautiful in here. You just cross this street over to this side and then you're back on the trail again. Come up through here and there's a porta potty. You have to go to the bathroom. So far, this hike is really nice. Trails are super dry right now. The steps are dry. There's signs up about this. I guess the steps must get slippery when it's wet out and stuff, but right now it's very dry. There's a little bit of elevation here and there, but nothing too bad. And man, I just love Ladysmith. It's such a cute little town. These hikes, they have a bunch of different hikes around here. They're all really pretty. So they have these ropes to help you up these steep inclines, which are quite helpful. Whew. So the minute you mention that the hike is easy, it's like 5 minutes later, it's all uphill. It's kind of funny how it works like that. Happens to me every time I say, oh, it's so easy. Still tons of fun though. It's not super bad either. It's like maybe a minute of incline. Woo! There. Got up that one. Let's keep going. There's a plaque here under this huge tree. It is for the ferns that are all throughout this trail. So giving a shout out to the ferns. So we just came to this as I saw this huge tree and mentioned how big the trees are in here. So this is a Douglas fir. There is some massive trees in here. Very pretty. Yeah. So pretty. These cool little rock steps are pretty neat. So the highlight to this trail is this waterfall, and there's a huge pool on the bottom where people could swim. I don't really feel like walking all the way down to get a better view of it, but it's pretty cool. Sounds awesome too. It's a pretty steep section to climb down to the waterfall if you want to go swimming or something down there, but I don't. So I am just going to go that far to show you it and I'm back out of here. It's a little risky trying to get down to the base of the waterfall. So it looks like there's a second waterfall, a smaller one, which is pretty cool too. Through these big tunnels, which is pretty cool in here. Tons of echo. Ta-da! We're walking through another one of these big metal tube things. It's pretty cool in here. It's all echoey. There we go. We cut through a creek to get through to the side a little bit quicker. Plus it's kind of fun walking over the rocks on riverbeds. It's pretty cool. The roots are hanging out from under the tree. So we're almost at the end of the trail and it's been awesome conditions. Perfect weather. There's probably about 500 feet of elevation. So I'd say maybe 10 minutes of it is uphill and the rest is nice and flat and easy to do. And I give it an 8 out of 10. I would recommend it for anybody to do. It's an awesome workout. Anyway, bye! Thanks for watching my channel.